Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character cháng or zhǎng step by step. But first, I will write it in standard script, then following one sentence. Without further ado, let's get started. It is a polyphone, can be pronounced as cháng or zhǎng according to different contexts. As cháng, it means long, forever. Always. As zhǎng means chief, to grow. Now check this sentence. Your hair gets longer. Your hair gets longer. 你的头发长长了。你的头发长长了。Your hair， 你的头发，头发 hair 长长了，长长了 longer。 Your hair gets longer， 你的头发长长了。My casual handwriting on cháng or zhǎng. Please comment any sentence with cháng or zhǎng. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.